Greetings and salutations, mongrels! Welcome aboard the Jolly Flogger. Let us see today's excuse for a drawing. What the? Well, not only is it not art, you can't even manage to spell your insulting title.
What do you mean, Cappy Poo? I spelled it just like I say it.
Yeah, wrong. Moving right along, Devotion 47. It was the sons of Eli who were committing the actual wickedness and violence at the tabernacle. But it was Eli whom God held responsible. But what was anyone supposed to do? After all, Eli was the high priest. No one in the nation had more authority than he did. But one unnamed man of God did not particularly care how powerful Eli and his family were. 1 Samuel 2:27. And there came a man of God unto Eli, and said unto him, Thus saith the Lord, Did I plainly appear unto the house of thy father, when they were in Egypt in Pharaoh's house? All the way through verse 36, this unnamed man of God delivers a message of doom to Eli, without so much as flinching in the face of authority and power. He declared that God would kill both the sons of Eli, put an end to the house of Eli, and raise up a different priest. This man was a hero. What he did could have cost him his life, but he did what needed to be done anyway. It has been rightly said, courage is not the absence of fear. It is doing what needs to be done in spite of your fear. These days, not much is scarier than speaking the truth about wickedness. But it needed to be done then, and it needs to be done now. Do be willing to follow God's leading, even when it is frightening to do so. This man may be unknown to us, but God thought so much of his courage that he sent him on a hero's mission. Yeah, this lesson says you should follow God's leading, even if it is scary.
And how, dear sir, does it apply to you? Besides, we're standing on a boat going nowhere.
Oh, you're gone somewhere. To the bottom of the big blue wet thing. Have a blessed day. And I mean that sincerely to all three of you listening.